How to change Snapchat notification sound. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards setting, go to application and go to app management. Simply search for Snapchat. Once you do, click on it. Go to manage notification and firstly allow the permission of notification. Now as you can see, in ringtone and vibration, you only see the option of allow and not allow. It is because Snapchat does not have any feature to allow us to customize notification sound. If the notification sound of Snapchat annoys you, simply toggle off the notification permission. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.